So we have the Model X, the Model 3, the Model X, the Model Y, the Roadster, the Semi, and a Starship for good luck diecast that we have unboxed. And today we have the last diecast that Tesla sells, which is the Tesla Cybertruck. It will complete the collection and we will have every single one here to check out. So let's unbox it. So the other day we put up the video of the Model Y because I wanted to make sure it kind of went in order. But the Model Y took a very long time from when they started selling the actual vehicle to when we got the diecast. Well, now we have a Cybertruck here and they literally just had the first deliveries like last week. So they were on it for that. But I have seen a few things on these models from the website that look a little weird. So we're gonna have to unbox it and check it out. So here we have the Tesla Cybertruck 1/18 scale diecast. Of course, all the others are the 1/18 as well, so Tesla had to stick with that. If you just saw the Model Y video, they went with the paper instead of the styrofoam carton on this. I actually really do appreciate that. Not only is it recyclable, but you don't get all those stupid white foam pieces everywhere. Okay, let's see. Do we think there's gonna be a tissue covering it? I bet you there is. There it is. See, I don't know what it is, but every single diecast has had a tissue sitting on top of the like plastic glass part. It's just funny that every single one we've gotten a little tissue with. And actually I don't see the little like spudger tool in this either. So it'll be probably somewhere in here. Ooh, that one's got some weight to it. Let's see if we have the little tool. Maybe this one didn't come with a little tool to open the doors. So we'll just grab the one from the Model Y and use that. But overall, here it is. Looks really awesome. You can see all kinds of cool stuff in here. Center console looks good, but it almost looks like it flips up into a seat, which it no longer does. Here you have a steering yoke, which it no longer does. It's more of like a squared steering wheel. Again, no side mirrors like we mentioned a little earlier, but they have side mirrors now. It looks like this actually does open, but does the frunk open? No. Frunk does not open on this model, where it does on everything except for the Roadster, because I don't think the Roadster is gonna have a frunk anyway. Let's just go ahead and take off these stickers real quick. Okay, well, we have the spudger from the Model Y, so we'll just go ahead and use that. I looked in the box and everything again. I don't see it anywhere, so I don't think I dropped it. Is what it is. But again, the frunk, we got nothing there. So we have these doors, which do open. So, and actually you can see too, these have the all black interior, whereas the one that we saw at the delivery event actually did have some white in it. So there's a few differences there. And then this back lift gate does, oh. Okay, maybe, time out. What is this box? I'm an idiot. Got it. There's our spudger. Okay, so if you're looking for the spudger, found it. It just isn't loose. It's actually in the bed of the Cybertruck. That's actually kind of cool. And the tonneau cover, while it doesn't roll up, it just pulls right out so you can have it open. You can have it closed. That's it. Okay. It's cool. I really appreciate that design. I didn't think it would do anything. But again, we see the bed right here. It is no longer the stainless steel. I mean, still cool. I still appreciate it. But it just goes to show you that they had developed this almost off the prototype, not actually the ones they're delivering now, which is a little interesting. This lift gate, it's a little floppy, but it magnets up, so that's actually kind of a nice little feature. It's actually got little magnets on there. It doesn't have the extra parts, but it only goes like that. It doesn't come down anymore, which the real one, I believe, does. You can see that steering wheel move when you move the wheels, and you can move the steering wheel to move the wheels, so that's really cool. This is basically like what the prototype was, and Cybertruck has changed. So I don't know, does that mean these are worth more because these are like not completely representative of the vehicle you can buy, but more of the prototype. I don't know, that'd be cool. But I still love it. Overall though, looks great, feels great. It is not stainless steel, it's plastic, so don't go taking a sledgehammer to this. I already asked David if I could, and he said no. He's our voice of reason here. So, I mean, I agree. But it would have been cool though if they would have given you like a decal for the glass to put on here to be like the broken one from the event.
Oh my fucking God. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Now the Cybertruck is currently out of stock on Tesla's website. It'll probably be back in stock soon, but it does say that it's made from the same 3D CAD data used to manufacture the actual Cybertruck vehicles. But if that's the case, then why do we have stainless steel in the back? Why do we have a yoke and not the square steering wheel? And why do we have a 6-seat variant? I don't know, just a few questions. Also that it's made with 180 plus metal and plastic parts, detailed interior, including a map of the Cybertruck's home base displayed on the touchscreen, functioning doors, magnetic rear liftgate, removable tonneau cover, panoramic glass roof, rubber tires, steerable wheels, carpeted interior, fabric seat belts with buckled details, etc. Definitely a cool model regardless of the differences between this and the actual production model. But it is also one of the more expensive models, coming in at $225. The Model Y comes in at $195, the Model 3 $175, the Roadster $175, and the Semi for $175. I can't quite remember what the S and the X were, but they're actually not even available right now, so hopefully that means that they're refreshing them and new ones will be coming out soon. Fingers crossed on that. So it is a little steep, but honestly, like, it looks amazing. The detail's really there. It's well made, it's solid. So like, I definitely see why it is $225. But let me know down below, is this something that you'll be buying for a future Cybertruck owner? Maybe you're gonna buy it for yourself. Maybe you have all the other die casts and you want this one. Definitely let me know and we can talk about it down below. But huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you're looking to accessorize your Tesla Model S3 XY, soon to be Cybertruck, and Rivian, definitely check them out, all linked down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. A lot of fun and useful accessories to help protect and make your vehicle your own. As always though, a thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.